Hi friends, welcome back to the channel SciTech. In this video I'm going to do the benchmark test in the Lava Agni 2 device on the day one after unboxing that smartphone. The Lava Agni 2, which has got the Dimensity 7050 processor, and with the stock Android experience, the performance seems to be kind of pretty smooth overall in the Lava Agni 2. But let's find out what's going on regarding the Android benchmark scores, how much high it can actually get up to. That's what I'm going to demonstrate in this video. And this is my first time doing the benchmark test in this Lava Agni 2 device, and without installing any applications at this moment. As you can see, I did not install any applications. So let's see friends, overall the benchmarks, how much the phone gonna get while performing this testing. And even I'll try to concentrate on the temperatures, how much high the temperatures the phone can actually get up to, and what is my room temperature, everything I'll try to show you in this video. So let's get started with the benchmark test in this Lava Agni 2. So right now, as you can see friends, after getting close to 58% of the benchmark test, and these are temperatures, so which is about 32 degrees Celsius. And in the beginning it was 28 degrees, and right now it's 32 degrees, only 4 degrees increased while performing the benchmark test. And I will be back at the end of the benchmark test, and we'll get to know about overall results of the benchmarks in the Lava Agni 2 on the day one after unboxing. So final finds is overall benchmark scores. The phone did receive up to 5,23,000 on the day one after unboxing, as you can see friends. So here's a quick look at the benchmark scores, CPU and the GPU scores. You can see the difference, how much it is. So that's it friends, thank you for watching and stay tuned for more updates. And in case if you have any other questions, let me know in the comment section below. Until then, signing off and bye.